Good morning guys, this is Ville and it is tutorial time. Today I'm telling you how I did my CSGO damage indicator. For that you're going to need two software from the net. First Microsoft Visual Studio and Roccat's Talk FX SDK. I put downloads in description. You should install Visual Studio, but you don't need to install SDK. It is going to look something like this. You just unzip the folder. Okay, once you install Visual Studio, open it and remember to run it as an administrator, because Roccat's Talk FX needs to be run as an administrator to work. If you're familiar with Visual Studio, you may want to skip this part. I'm going to show how to include libraries and stuff like that, so if you already know how to do that, please skip this. File, new project. Guess we don't need the graphical user interface. We can make just a console app. Let's name it tutorial. Okay, next, and these are all okay, finish. Sorry. Next you want to find your project file. Yeah. And then you need the Talk FX SDK. Yeah. Take Roccat, include Roccat Talk, yeah, copy it here. And then x86 and let's use the live. That's it. Then go to solution tutorial, project, add existing item, and add those to the project. Project, add existing item, SDK, add. Okay. Then copy this. Control C. Then choose tutorial. Right click, properties. Linker, input. This arrow, edit. Then copy Roccat Talk SDK paste live over here. Okay. Use. Okay. That's it. Now we can go to fun part, coding. First you need to add this C++ magic stuff. Then let's make some variables for the color and for the screen. And then we do our main loop. Then we have to initialize the Roccat Talk. And that happens like this. And then we make a loop. Okay, so this here tracks the certain pixel, this pixel from the screen, and you get this color. Then we assign the variables with those colors. then we'll do an if sentence. So if the pixel is more red and less green and blue, it will turn on LEDs on and insert the value of these values for the ISCO effects. And if it's not, then it turns on LEDs on and put the colors in 0 value. And then we just this line is for ISCO. It sets the value of the LED, those values. These three first are some effect and some stuff. You can try to play with those, but these are working at least. Then you assign the red and green and blue value of the keyboard, and ISCO uses hexadecimal colors. So this line of code here transforms the value between 0 to 255 to a hexadecimal value, and it should work with this. Then you can just try it. First time will be slow. And you see my keyboard went black, and I try to let's get some red to this area. Oh, flickered. Yeah. You see when this red logo goes to the certain pixel, this keyboard will flash red. It should work now. Yeah. Woohoo, it's working. Okay, that's it. Now just exit the program. You see my keyboard went stayed black after I closed the program. You should need this Roccat dot restore LED RGB. So when the program closes, the keyboard goes to same color as it were before. And this code here says if I press escape key, it will break the loop and stop the program. Yeah, that it works. Okay, so that's it. It's this pixel it tracks. This here. You. Because if you take damage, it will flash red. And you get damage and keyboard flash red. Okay, and if you want to do this is might, I would suggest you have help bar here. And this might is very different because it doesn't flash red in Tech Damage, but instead it gets more yellow and more red. So I'll put a tracer here, and maybe, and when it turns to, yeah, I would put that your keyboard is it the same color than this bar, or you put tracers here, like this piece of code to every other pixel in here, and if the tracer says, hey, I'm not green anymore, then it flashes. You get it? Yeah. That's how I would do that. And Battlefield 4, you have your aim here. I would do like, if you take damage, let's say from right, then here is going to, and red arc is going to appear here. So I would put those traces again all around the circle like this. And let's say if this tracer here says, hey, I'm red, then some part of your keyboard over here will turn to red. And otherwise, if this part, the tracer here says, hey, I'm red, then this bottom part of your keyboard will be red. And then you have that cool effect. And that is guys. See ya next time. If you have questions, please put me a private message in uh, Google Hangouts or something, or comment this video. Bye.